Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for being here, glad to have you. Hey, so today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna take you guys on a behind the scenes tour of a photo shoot that I'm gonna do. Not really a photo shoot, more like an event. This is gonna be a friend of mine's grand opening, Faded on Main in China Grove, North Carolina. We're gonna go and document this whole scenario, so hopefully it should be pretty cool. I'm gonna do some candid shots, some up close portraits, some far away portraits, and I'm also gonna try to do a few little videos for them, kind of see how that goes. So if nothing else, we'll get some behind the scenes footage. So that'll be kind of cool, right? Maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. What's up, buddy?
Still in the shop. What? I blew the motor. I did. I'm waiting for it to.
Yeah. I've been looking for one.
Okay. You're waiting for the right one, Let me get you a ticket for a drum. We're giving some stuff away.
I want to buy a hat before I leave too. Perfect. Let me get one like this too, just to have it. Perfect.
Thank you.
That's awesome. Oh, that was shit.
Do they have any like plates that have defects? Give me that.
No more bad dreams so far. This is the next stressful thing that happens. Like your shirt.
I didn't know that was going to be here.
Well, I guess you did say that you were.
I said I might. No, I told you I was going
I
to
honestly thought you were going to bring like a couple.
Well, I had that event last week at Embassy, and I watched the cooler, and I was like, I already marked it as definition, so I was forgetting.
I will take all.
You know, it's a big step. I guess if anybody knows, for going out on your own. It's been a blessing so far from the community. We thank our new family and family from before. So we're gonna do a drawing first. For the first drawing, I'll let y'all pick between, we got a hat, t-shirt, and a bourbon glass that has faded engraved on it, so the first drawing will let you pick which one you want. So see who the first.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Is this all your girls right now? Y'all slide this way a little bit for me. Keep going, keep going. Perfect, right there, right there. Let me get one a little bit closer. Sorry, I overdo it. Just got to.
Need to wear any of your merch? Caleb has taken all of my family photos, has taken my wedding photos.
Like literally stole my identity, so her and I like when she turns 18.
For the cartel yet?
How was your event? Did you guys see the
Oh, sorry.
at the cartel? Did you?
We got we gotta get up to date. Yeah, we got a hey, how are you, Jason? Nice to meet you. It's all like Molly.
Stand by.
Yeah, I get them. I might be looking too serious.
Oh, you're good? No, you're good.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go down the road tomorrow. I need you to meet me for somewhere.
We're gonna go on Thursday to bike ride to that park.
Grove Cartel.
Secret fun. You got a Grove Cartel shirt on.
Meadows.
Perfect.
Go play.
Oh, I wasn't there. Well, you know, that's, I'm never doing
Check yours out.
After all
And then I ended up having like a Stockman You want a t-shirt or burning glass? You think this would get bad ahead? I don't know the hats. Hey, they might cough if they come outside.
We got mail on it. Trust your bank.
Everybody's like, why is this guy wearing
Perfect.
He's actually like my second child.
He was like super intimate at first, and I just kept.
Look around, look back, look forward, look at my phone, about that red light, and it's like, oh my God, Scott.
It was all within like 5 seconds. I was like, oops.
All right, this is the last drawing of the day for a t-shirt. Josh Clark? Huh? It was he?
Josh, did you?
I couldn't write.
Yeah, that's Josh Clark.
There you go. Perfect. Just got here.
What size are you?
Extra large.
We were eventually on our daughter-in-law, and she doesn't know yet. She's gonna be my daughter.
Just let me know. Yeah. And when we get you in,
Girls come here for me. But you just come here and bring stuff.
The boys are so good.
This is right down, not too far.
there's drinks, snacks, chicken wings, sandwiches. The more you eat, the less I have to this week. So.
Yeah, I want to buy a shirt. Well, oh man.
Get that one complimentary.
Hell yeah. Well, I still want to buy one and then buy a hat. I appreciate that. Just right in front of your sign.
Okay.
And perfect. Just actually, you know what? I'm gonna put y'all this so we can kind of see the sign a little better. There we go.
Actually, other side. Mine.
There you go. It's marketing, branding, that's exactly it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Perfect, now slide right in the middle. I'm gonna get one that's a little bit more, give you some options anyway. One that's a little bit closer. Perfect. Alrighty, so that's a wrap. That is my event behind the scenes done. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something out of it. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments. Take a second to subscribe, like my channel, like my video, all that good stuff. Thanks. Have a good one. Check, 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 check.